Okay everyone, so what you're seeing here is bland footage that has keyframe animation. And keyframe animation is kind of important because it can allow you to do lots of cool things. This is not necessarily a cool use of it, but this is just for demonstration purposes. So how did I do that? Well, let's go to my computer screen. So I'm in iMovie and I have just the regular footage here that is just literally a bus driving. Now I want to point out though where the bus is, so I'm going to select this, I'm going to go down here. I'm going to make this as long as the footage itself is. Then I'm going to come up here to this. This is the video overlay settings. I'm going to click the video overlay settings right here, and it's defaulted to cutaway. Well, I want the last option here, picture in picture. Now I'm going to move, of course, the play bar back to the beginning of this clip. Oh, sorry, I forgot one thing here. This defaults to a dissolve function. I don't like that. So I'm just going to make this appear right away. So we drag it back here. Alright, I'm a couple frames in. I'm just going to select this. And I want to drag it right over to here where the bus is. I'm just going to emphasize that. And as you can see, I can put in the keyframe. This is where the position is when it starts. And in order to track it across the screen, all that I'm actually going to do is I'm going to tap just the forward arrow key a few times. And then, of course, I'm going to go over here. Tap it again, insert another keyframe. Now I could actually keep doing this, or I could do a speed ramp. I'm just going to do a couple more examples of this, and then that'll be all, because this is actually pretty time consuming. And in the final video, you'll notice that the arrow looks very jerky and whatnot. And that's just because of human imperfection. I'm not moving it around perfectly, but you get the idea. Tap, move. Tap here. And remember, you can go back to a keyframe and you can also delete keyframes. I'm not doing either of that, and you can do this with lots of things. And this is pretty much going to be the end video, and I'm just going to show the footage from the beginning at the end again, and that's how this was done. Thank you all.